Where are others?
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Good evening, everyone. So your homework was 7B,
7D.
7D,
B, sir.
B.
7B and 7C both.
Sir,
No, only
7C you
7.
told today.
Oh, okay.
Yes, sir. Today only 7B.
7B, sir.
Okay, so only 7B. So, okay, if I'll ask you 7B questions, anyone has any doubt anywhere? Question number, anyone has any doubt in 7B or you have done everything?
Only 16th one.
Sir, 16th.
7B. Okay, 16th question. Okay,
16th.
anything else?
Sir, 15.
That's it.
Sir, 15th.
15th. Okay,
Yes, sir. Me also. 15th.
15th. Anything else? That's it. Good.
Sir, but this happened to me for the first time. ऐसे कभी घर के अंदर पानी आया और
Mike, Aditya. Aditya Krishna. Huh, now you have got it. All three Aditya present. Aditya Deshpande, Aditya Krishna, and Aditya. Okay. Then. Okay. So, question number 15th. Now raise your hand who have done 15th question. Prithvi. Okay. Aditya. Okay. Ashish. Aditya Krishna. Okay. Okay. The question is, in this question, if you'll make diagram, you can easily do this question. If you'll make diagram, let me draw something. This part is not visible, no? It's shiny, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I've marked it. So in this question, you have to understand what they are telling. So I'll read it out. If
Oh,
two,
it's 7B 15th question, right?
yes, 7B 15th question. So question is, if two straight lines intersect each other, so I'll make two straight lines. I'll name it at A, B, C, D, intersect each other at O. I'll put it O. Now, then prove that the ray opposite to the bisector of one of the angles. So I'll make a bisector angle, this angle for angle BOD. I'll make a bisector OM. So this is angular bisector. OM is an angular bisector of angle BOD. So this is equals to this. Correct? The question says, if two straight lines intersect each other, then prove that the ray opposite to the bisector of one of the angles. Ray opposite to the bisector of one of the angles. So this is the ray opposite to, let's suppose N. Prove that the ray opposite to the bisector of one of the angles so formed. Anyone has come? Father, I'll just ask him to 5 minutes. I'll come. Prove that the ray opposite to the bisector of one of the angles so formed bisects the vertical opposite angle. So you have to prove that this ray is also bisecting this angle. This is the question. Two lines intersect each other at O. This is an angular bisector. Angle this one. Now a ray opposite to the angular bisector. This is the ray opposite to the angular bisector. Bisects the angle. Again, this bisects the angle. So,
Sir,
yes.
could you just explain again? Like I couldn't hear you because of the internet problem.
There are two straight lines intersect at O. This is an angular bisector. A ray opposite to the angular bisector will be this ON. A ray opposite to angular bisector will be ON. You have to prove that this ray also bisects this angle, this whole angle into two equal parts. So that's an angular bisector. This you have to prove. So we know that this is a line OM and they are bisecting. So X equals to X. Can we write it like this? Now CD is a line and NM is also a line.
Yes, sir.
So CD, C, D, N, M. This angle is X. So this angle will be?
X.
No, others should respond.
X, sir.
Because this is a vertically
Vertically
opposite
opposite.
angle, correct? So this is also X. Now line B, A and N, M. B, A and N, M. This is X. So this angle will be?
X.
Why?
Vertically opposite angle.
Vertically opposite angle. So
Sir,
this-
and adjacent angles also.
so adjacent angles are equal, right?
Yes.
That, huh?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Prove it and show me. This is vertically opposite angle. So now this line, can you say that this line has bisected this full angle into two equal angle?
Yes, sir.
Is it proved now?
Yes, sir.
Others. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, at least you respond. This is
Yes, sir.
yeah.
Yes, sir.
Again, this is a line bisecting at intersecting at O. There is an angular bisector OM. So this angle is equal to this angle X. Now this line is opposite to this line is ON. We have to prove that ON also bisects this angle COA. So we can say AB is a line and NM is a line. So vertically opposite angle. This is X, this is also X. And this is X in CD and NM. This is X, this is also X. So this angle COA also ON bisects COA into two equal angles. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Please write it in your words. I'm coming in
So
just
done.
2 minutes. Write it in your words, others.
Emergency.
Kumar Zeki.
Sorry, guys. Yeah. So you have written in your way.
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
16th question. Who all have done? Raise your hand. Sixteenth question. Prove that the bisector of two adjacent supplementary angles includes a right angle. Okay, Siddharth, you have done?
I think you forgot to lower my hand.
Oh, I forgot to lower your hand. Okay. Okay. So Aditya Krishna, come online.
Yes, sir.
Yes, tell me how to draw diagram, what to do it.
Sir, angle AOC.
What is angle AOC?
Oh,
I have
sorry,
to
sir.
draw a diagram, everything. Yes, tell
Wait a
me.
second. Let me check the question.
Prove that the bisector of two adjacent supplementary angles includes a right angle.
Oh,
What is supplementary angle?
the sum of the
180
sum of two
degree
angle.
should be
Yes,
180
sir.
degree. So the question
sir.
is prove that the bisector of two adjacent supplementary angle. Draw a line, and this is one line. A, O, B, C. So this angle plus this angle is 180 degree because AOC is a
Yes,
line,
sir.
which is a supplementary angle. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So the question is prove that the bisector of two adjacent supplementary. These two are adjacent angles and they are supplementary to each other. I'm talking to everyone now. Listen, I'm solving it. This is AOC is a line and BO is a ray on this AOC. So AOC, angle AOC is 180 degree. Any doubt? No.
No, sir.
Now,
No, sir.
this is BO is a ray. So this angle and this angle is a adjacent angle. Agree? Agree? Yes, agree.
Yes, sir.
Now, and these two are supplementary angles because their sum is equals to 180 degree. Now, question is bisector of these two angles. So let's draw bisector. N or M. They are the bisectors. So can we say that this is X, this is also X?
Yes, sir.
Agree?
Yes, sir.
Now I say this is Y, this is also Y. Do you agree?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now if I say Y plus X plus X equals to 180 degree,
Equal to 180 degree.
do you agree on this?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So 2Y plus 2X is equals to 180 degree. 2 is Y plus X is equals to 180 degree. Y plus X is equals to 90 degree.
Yes, sir.
Now what is Y plus X? Y
MOB.
plus X is this angle,
MON.
which is making a 90 degree, which is a right angle. The question says prove that the bisector of two adjacent supplementary angle includes a right angle. Means they are making a right angle. Proved? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone has to tell me. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So 7B done. Any doubt anyone has?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Can you stay just 2 minutes?
2 minutes. Sir. Take. Okay, done.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will rub it now. So next exercise, you know, the theory part, that is alternate angle, corresponding angle, everything we have done it. Now I will straight away give you a question to solve.
From the exercise?
No, you from here only. See. The L and M is parallel to each other, and a transverse T cuts them if angle, okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, if angle 1 is equals to 70 degree, find the measure of all the angles. Quick, and send me on chat. Angle, this is 70 degree, so I want to know the measure of all the angles.
So 2 minutes.
Okay, do it and send it on chat. I'm waiting. This question we did last time. I mean, last class we did this question.
Sir, you have to send all the values.
Yes, all the values.
Sir, you got?
What I got? Aditya Deshpande has sent. Adistan has sent. With Adistan, you have not sent all the values. You have to send 1 to 2 to 8.
Yes, sir, I'm finding.
Okay, find and send it in one go. 2 3 is. Aditya, you have done some mistake. Please cross check it. Two, 3, 94, 576, 778. Yes, Rashri, you got the right answer. Two, actually there's 3. Aditya, check it, and send me all again.
Okay.
Prithvi, let me check. Prithvi, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, Prithvi, you are correct.
I sent you the answer.
Ashish, what you have? Okay, you have telling that 1 3 5 7 1 1 3 5 7 1 3 5 7 20 2 2 6.
ये बैठ के कल से तू टेकिंग डेटा
Mute your mic, please. Mute your mic, Samriddha. Yes, Ashish, you are right.
Sir, I've sent.
Hershey 220. Okay.
Sir, even I sent, sir.
Okay. So now you can correct. Most of you are doing the right one. Let's see.
Sir, you didn't get mine.
I didn't get yours, Siddharth. I didn't get yours. Anyway,
Sir,
I'm
I
doing
sent
it.
mine.
Okay, no problem. Let me do it here. This is 70. 1 is 70. So 3 will also be 70 vertically opposite angle. 5 will be 70 alternate angles. 7 will be equal to 70, vertically opposite angle. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now 2 will be equals to what? 180
110.
minus
Minus
70.
X.
180 minus 70, linear pair. So 110. If 2 is 110, 4 will be 110, vertically opposite angle. 4 is 110, 6 will be 110, alternate angles. And 6 opposite 8 is 110, vertically opposite angle.
Yes, sir. All are correct.
Okay. Now next question.
Sorry, sir. I had done the wrong markings.
Okay.
That's why I got wrong answer.
Mm.
Sir, actually, I couldn't send it to you before. Can you please check?
No problem. No, you check na your answer.
No, sir, I actually couldn't because I actually couldn't. There was connection problem.
Okay. But next, you do this one, and I'll send it by the time. If the given figure LM, similar type of question I'm giving. LM transverse T
So T is a straight line.
transverse. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Angle 1 is 2, angle 2 is equals to 5 is to 4. Find the measure of each of the marked angles. Now question is 1 is to 2 is 5 is to 4. Find all the angles. First right answer. Only I'll see first right answer.
Oh, we should find the measures of all the angles.
Yes. Prithvi, what you are giving answer? I want final answer. One, 3, 5, 7, 2, 4, 6. That first answer, Rashri, you are right. Now I will tell.
I sent it.
I
Very
was
nice.
supposed, I got it, but first answer I was looking for. So 1 is to 2 is 5 is to 4. Means this angle by this angle is 5 is to 4. And we know this plus this is 180. So if we say angle 1 is, let angle 1 is goes to 5x, what will be angle 2? 4x?
Yes.
Correct? And we know that angle 1 plus angle 2 is equals to 180 degree. So 5x plus 4x equals to 180 degree. 9x is equals to 180 degree. X is equals to 2. So angle 1 will be 2 is 2 into
100.
20 into 5
100.
100.
and 20 into 4 80.
80.
80.
So angle this is 100
180.
and this is 80.
80.
So this is again
100.
this will be 100. This will be 100. This will be 100.
100.
This is 80. This will be 80. This will be 80. This will be 80. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Anyone has any doubt?
Sir.
Others, please respond.
No, sir. No doubt.
Okay. So now little tricky. Should I rub this?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
In the given figure I am drawing. In the given figure, AB is parallel to CD. So I'm marking. This is a parallel sign marking. And angle AOC equals to X degree. If angle angle OAB equals to 104 and angle OCD equals to 116, find angle X. Yes, Rashi, you are correct. Others, come up. Wrong, Bhanupriya. Revisit. Ashish, wrong. Revisit. Mehak, not correct. Sorry, Manish, not correct. Mehak, you are correct. Manish, not correct. As of now, Rashri and Mehak has given me right answer. Siddharth, wrong. Aristan, wrong. Tejal, wrong. Sia, correct. Ashish, wrong. Aditya, wrong. Aditya, Krishna, wrong. Dia, correct. Now let me do. So this time Mehak will come and explain me. Mehak, come.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me what to do.
Sir, so we can
Be
draw
a bit
bi-
louder, Mehak. I'm not very much audible.
Hello?
Yeah, be a bit louder, Mehak.
Okay, sir.
Yeah,
So,
tell me.
sir, we can draw a line from O
Okay.
and
So this line
no, sir, straight line,
straight. Okay, this like this.
parallel.
Tell me parallel
No,
line.
parallel.
Parallel. So parallel to these two lines, correct? So this is also parallel. Okay, now.
Parallel line. So we can name it as N.
Okay, N. We name it as N. Now.
So, then angle angle OAB and AON will be equal to 180.
Sum of these two will be 180, correct? You say sum.
Yeah.
So this plus this is 180. Why 180? Tell me the reason.
Sir?
Let's suppose this is angle Z.
Yes, sir.
So this you are telling 104 plus Z angle equals to 180 degree. Why? You have to give reason, na? You have to write reason here. Tell me, Mehak.
Sir, because it's like
Why 180 degree? You said 180 degree. Why 180 degree?
sir, because it's supplementary.
Why supplementary?
So if we add the both angles, the sum should be supplementary angle.
So it's a co-interior angle. You tell a co-interior angle. Sum of
हाँ.
co-interior angle is 180 degree. Okay.
हाँ.
So you will get Z is equals to 180 minus 104. So Z is equals to 76, right? So
Yes, sir.
this is 76. Similarly,
हाँ.
this
We are
angle plus this angle should be equals to 180 degree.
180
Let's suppose make it Y degree. So 116 plus Y equals to 180 degree. Since ON is parallel to CD, so this is making sum of co-interior angle is 180 degree. Y is equals to 180 minus 116. Y is equals to how much? 4. 64.
Yes, sir.
So now Z plus Y we are supposed to find out.
Yes,
Z
sir.
plus Y is equals to 76 plus 64 is equals to
140.
140. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Anyone has any doubt? Okay, good. Yes? Should I rub this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hope you are writing it, sir. Because similar question you will get in exercise. Next question. A, B, C, D, O. 40 degree, 35 degree, X degree. In the given figure, AB is parallel to CD and angle ABO is 40 degree. Angle CDO equals to 35 degree. Find the value of the reflex angle BOD. What is reflex angle, Punya? What is reflex angle? As usual, you will not open your mic. Yes, find out BOD reflex angle and send me on chat. Yes, Rashri, Manish, Ashish, Aristan, Aditya, your answers, Siddharth, Prithvi. Okay. Yes, Siddharth, come online. Your answers are correct. Siddharth.
Sir.
Yes, tell me.
Yes, sir. So, sir, like referring to the last question, what I did is I drew a parallel line to AB.
Through O.
Yes, sir.
Now.
Sir, now we can write that ABO is equal to BOE. We can name it
BOE.
BON.
This N.
Yes, sir. So it'll be 180 because they're consecutive.
Yeah,
interior
this you want to extend it here, and this is N, right?
No, sir.
Then
this is N, the other side.
Other side is N. Acha. Okay.
Yes, sir. So now ABO.
Okay.
Plus BON equals 180 degree because interior angles.
Angle ABO plus angle BON equals to 180 degree. Why?
So co-interior angles.
Co-interior angle. So we can write AOB is 40 degree
Yes,
plus
sir.
angle
BOA, 40 degree goes to the other side.
So angle
Yeah.
BON, you got 180 minus
40, which
40
is
is
140.
140.
Yes, sir.
So this is 140. Now,
So now what we can do is we can write NOD equals to no, sorry, plus ODN.
ODC.
Yes, C, which equals 180 degree. So we know ODC is 35 degree. We goes to the other side. It becomes 145.
So
now we can add the two.
145.
Yes.
So this angle will be 140 plus 145, that is 285.
285.
Anyone has any doubt in understanding?
No, sir.
Okay.
Sir, we can do it in easier way, right?
Yes, yes. You
Sir,
see,
since-
in all these questions, you can do multiple way. You have multiple ways to do it, but answer will come same. Whatever answers are coming, that will come same. You can do it in other ways also. Okay. Now next question.
So we should draw the figures, right?
Without drawing, if you can calculate, you calculate then. How you will calculate without drawing? Tell me. Geometry is all about drawing. Got it? Now, question is AB is parallel to CD. AB is parallel to CD. Second thing, angle ABE equals to 120 degree. Angle ECD equals to 100 degree. And angle BEC equals to X degree. Find the value of X.
So I sent it.
You're right. That's the right answer, Ashish. Aristan. No, sorry, Aditya. Right answer. Rashri, right answer. Mehak, right. Manupriya, wrong. What you are doing, Manupriya? I'm not understanding. This is the second consecutive wrong answer. Others. Manish, that's the correct answer. Now, Bhanupriya, you are given the correct answer. Yes, Rashri, tell me.
Sir, we should draw a straight parallel line through the line AB. Yes, sir, and I named it as F. Sir, so angle sir, and the point, yes, sir. Yeah. So angle OCD is equal to angle FOE because they are corresponding angle. Yes, sir.
Okay, so what Rashi is telling, this is a line, this is a line, both are parallel, and this is a transverse. So this angle is equals to this angle. This is telling corresponding angle.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear to everyone?
So I used another method.
No problem. Method can be different. I told you in this question there can be 5-6 methods. So let's understand this way first. Sahil, can you mute your mic? Yes, Rashi. This is 100. This is 100 corresponding angle because CD and AF is a parallel line and CE is a transverse. So this is 100. This is 100. Now.
Sir, now we can take linear pair of both the angles.
So this angle will be, now leave it, Rashi. I'll pick somebody.
Okay, sir.
Tejal. Tejal?
Yes, sir.
Tell me what to do now. He has given you a clue, has given a construction.
So you can take it as 120 plus 100 is equal to 180 degree.
You are telling that this angle plus this angle is equals to
180 degree.
Which rule?
So because it's a straight.
Tell me. Tejal.
Yes, sir.
Tell me. Yes, Mehak. Come online. Tell me. Mehak. I can't listen. Sia.
Yes, sir.
Tell me what to do next.
Sir, I have done a different way.
Okay. Tell me your way.
Sir, I drew a parallel line parallel to AB.
Through? This is AB.
Through E. A line parallel to AB through E.
Okay. Now?
Now, so angle BEF. We can take
BEF, which is F? This one?
The other side.
This one?
No, sir.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay.
So you can take angle BEF as like some Z or something, and then that Z plus 120 equals 180 because co-interior.
Very good. So Z is equals to 60. Okay.
60.
We got it 60. Now.
So now, CEG. So we can take the other side as G now.
Okay.
So CEG we can take it as y. So y plus 100 equals 180.
100 plus 100 plus y equals 180
180
degree. So y
to
is equals
interior.
to 80
So
degree.
y equals 80 degree.
Now
So now 60 plus x plus 80
so
equals 180.
so 60 plus
Plus
x
x
plus
plus
80.
80 equals 180 because linear pair.
Okay, angle on a line. This is not linear.
On
Pair
a
means
angle on a straight line.
straight line. So this is x plus 140 is equals to 180.
180. So the x equals 40.
Yes, correct. Very good. See, those who were taking different way, there can be other way. Rashi took this one line extended, then corresponding angle, and then this he will find, then he will find this, then triangle ka 180 minus that one. So you can have multiple ways. So, but answer will come same. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Tejal, did you get it?
Yes, sir.
Next question. AB parallel to CD, angle BAE equals to 50 degree, angle AEC equals to x degree, and angle ECD equals to 100. Find the value of x.
So what is ECD?
What is ECD? 100 degree. Correct,
I've sent you the
Rashti?
answer.
Yeah, got
I
it.
sent you the answer.
Rashti, correct. Aditya, correct. Manish, correct.
I sent you the answer.
Once done, please raise your hand. And you know my rule. Those who will not raise, from them I will ask. Aristan, wrong answer.
So I sent you the answer 5 minutes ago, I think. Is it correct?
I said no, Aditya, I said correct. Your
So
answer
not
is
Aditya,
correct.
Ashish.
Ashish, I said Aditya, Rashi and Ashish and Manish. 4 answers correct. Now Sia also correct. Vishal wrong. You have, guys, you have this exercise, na? You start doing the exercise 7C. By the time I'll see others.
Yes, sir.
Start 7C exercise. Now you have, you know what to construct, how to find out angles, correct? So you guys start. Remaining, give me answer and I'll pick it.
Sir, in the 7C exercise,
Bhanupriya,
that is wrong, sir.
Bhanupriya, just hold on a second. Bhanupriya, come online.
Yes, sir.
What you are doing?
Nothing, sir.
Why you are doing the third as hat trick?
Sorry,
What's
sir?
wrong? You didn't understand the concept?
I did, sir.
Then why? This is the third time.
Sir, give me a moment, sir. I'll do it.
Then Mac, you are correct. Raise your hand, raise your hand. I will pick just 1 minute more and I'll pick students. Those who are not raising hand, where is the problem? Yeah, Aditya Krishna, Global. Can you come online?
Yes, sir.
Yes, tell me how to solve this.
Sir, I didn't understand this question.
Your voice is not audible. Come again.
Sir, I didn't understand this question.
Previously, all the question you understood?
Sir, mine.
Aditya,
network
can you
coverage is
keep your mic in front of your mouth? It's very dim, very less audible. Tell me. No, not
Sir, I
audible.
didn't understand.
Aristan,
Sir,
tell me.
sir, I did not get the perfect answer, but
Perfect
I
means
tried.
what?
Correct.
Correct answer. So how you did? Tell me how you did. At least whatever you got, how you did. Tell me.
Sir, first I took AE as a supplementary angle, knowing that angle A is 50.
Wait. You took which angle? AE?
Supplementary angles.
Supplementary angles. Which supplementary angle?
Like A and E total is 180.
Which total? AE.
Yes, sir.
So AE, which angle you are talking about?
Sir, I'm saying like the total of angle E and angle A should be 180.
This plus this.
Yes, sir. It should
With
be.
which theorem or law you say that this plus this is 180 degree?
No, sir.
Wait, I'm talking to Aristan. Yes, Aristan, tell me. Which theorem says that this plus this is 180 degree?
Sir.
Wait, Manish.
No,
You
should
guys
we?
start 7C. You guys start 7C.
Sir, should we draw the diagram?
Every beginning of this chapter, I have told geometry is all about diagram and writing.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Aristan. Which theorem you are telling 50 plus x is 180? Tell me.
Supplementary angle.
Your voice is not audible. You keep your mic in front.
Supplementary angle.
Array, supplementary angle. Which? How supplementary angle? How can this be a supplementary angle? That is why my question is why. Why this plus this is supplementary? That is my question.
It is a straight line.
So straight line. So any angle here will be 180 degree.
No, sir.
Then this angle plus this angle is 180 degree. This angle plus this angle. Then if we draw a line and this is the point, so this angle is 180 degree. This angle is 180 degree. This angle is 180 degree. If we draw a line, anything here and here, how can you say this plus this is 180 degree? Which theorem says? I will draw a line. See, is this angle equals to 180 degree? Then, so when we proceed with the class, I started with each and every what is linear pair. From there I started. You didn't understand those things?
Sir, I understand.
So how you can, with which theorem you are telling this plus this is 180? If it is not 180, tell me the solution. Punya, can you open your unmute yourself? If you cannot unmute, I will keep you on waiting list then. It's not a IPL going on here. If you cannot listen or you cannot unmute, I will start keeping you in waiting list. Yes, Sahil.
Sir, I was not there in the whole class. I could not hear you, sir. There's some
I'm
problem.
asking this solution. I've not taught anything today. Everyone is solving question. Tejal.
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
So, so A and E.
Sir, I'm not able to because there is no current here.
Tejal is telling nobody in between should speak. Yes, Tejal.
So I'm not sure, but
go ahead.
A and E can be taken as linear pairs. No, sir. Sorry, sir.
Keep it in your mind. This is a line. This is a line. This is a straight line and one ray or one line. This plus this is 180 degree linear pair. Pair means what? Two. Linear means what? Straight line. Linear pair, which is equals to 180 degree. Anywhere you draw any line and you say linear pair, everything linear pair.
No, sir.
Linear is this one, pair is this one, this angle. So linear pair is 180 degree.
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir.
Go ahead and give me the solution today. Others who have done this, please go ahead with 7C exercise.
So 7C till which problem?
Everything you have to do.
Okay, so if the sums are not able to finish his homework.
You start doing from question number 1, 2 and till the end. Remaining
the sum
will be
we
your
didn't
homework.
finish in the class is homework. Okay.
Nothing you have done in class from 7C. It's an exercise which we are doing.
Sir, there is no current here, so I'm not able to write anything.
I didn't get it. You're not able to? Right. Okay. Then you can see my video after the class. Okay? Yes, Tejal.
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
So 100 E and C.
E and C. Okay.
X is equal to 100 because alternate. No.
Samruddha. Just tell me. Yes, Bhanupriya. Bhanupriya. Bhanupriya, are you there? No. Prithvi?
Sir, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Tell me.
Sir, um, um, sir,
Yeah, you guys are
Can
demoralized.
I tell, sir?
Yes, Siddharth.
Sir, what I did is, sir, I drew a line on top of parallel to E.
So you draw a line parallel to
Yes, sir.
this. Okay.
So we can name it NM.
N M.
Yes, sir. So we named it NM. So, sir, now what we can do is we can take the angle NEA
NEA. Okay.
and EAB.
EAB. Okay.
Sir, I think they'll be equal to 50 because when we draw the two lines and we see it as a transversal, it'll be alternate interior angles.
Correct. You are correct. Absolutely correct. This is parallel to this and this is transverse. So this angle is equals to this angle.
Yes,
50
sir.
degree. Now.
Sir, now we can yes, sir. So now
go ahead. You're almost there.
Yes, sir. So now we can take MEC.
MEC. Okay.
Plus the 100 degrees equals 180.
Okay.
This
will be 180.
Yes, sir. I think it's co-interior.
Don't say thing.
Yes, sir. Co-interior angles. Yes, sir.
Then
it'll be 180. So now after we 100 goes to that side, so HE yeah. Sorry. MEC will be 80 degrees.
So I have wrote it 80 degrees. Now,
Yes, sir. 80 degrees. Sir, so now yes, sir. Now we can yes, sir. So NEM is a straight line. So we can take
why you are seeing here and there, this is a straight line. These two angles are given. This you have to find it out. This angle sum is 180 degree. This is 80. This is 50. This will be 50. Where you are seeing?
Yes, that was I was thinking, sir.
This is 50.
Yes, sir, 50.
Or you can say this is 50 and this line is also parallel to NM. This is a transverse. So this angle and this angle both are equal, alternate angles. So
Yes,
this
sir.
is 100, this is 50, this will be 50.
Sir, could you repeat that way again? Just now you said.
What he has drew this line and he calculated this as 50 alternate angles. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, this is also parallel to this and this is also parallel to this. So I will extend it. Now this angle, and this is a transverse. So this angle equals to this angle, alternate angles. Clear? Yes, no.
Yes, sir.
This is a parallel line. This is a transverse. So this angle equals to this angle. If this is 100, this is also 100, but this part is 50. So what will be this part?
50.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
When in these type of question, the approach is you are studying parallel lines. You know transverse. So see what are parallels, where you will extend it, what will be transverse, what angles you have to find it, whether it is corresponding, alternate, interior, co-interior. Again, I'm giving one question. I want you guys to do it.
So even the people who are doing 7C?
No, you start doing 7C.
Okay, sir.
Those who have done, and I will pick 5 of you are doing it. Mehak, Ashish, Manish, Aditya, Rashri. Correct?
Yes, sir. We are doing 7C.
These 4 people. Anybody else?
Yes, sir, I'm doing.
Yeah.
Who? Sia.
Yes, sir.
5. Okay. Apart from these 5, I'll ask anyone. I'll pick and ask. Find the value of x. This is parallel to this. See what you have to construct, where you have to extend. Once done, please raise your hand. Okay, Siddharth, I will use. Send me the answer on chat.
Sir, I sent you the answer on chat.
Okay, your answer is correct. Diya, Siddharth, you also sent. Yes, Siddharth, you are correct.
Sir, I sent you my answer.
Yeah, Mehak, that's correct answer.
Thank you.
Tejal, I will pick you. What happened to others? You guys, Siddharth, Diya, Mehak, start 7C.
Okay, sir.
So what is 105 there, sir?
105 angle.
No, I mean E, A, and then
The EAB.
oh,
It's written also 105.
sir, it's little blur. Sir.
Okay. EAB. When it is blurred, na, you go out and come in again. It will be clear. Hershey, it's wrong answer.
So 1 minute, I'll go out and very blur.
Vishal.
Yes, sir.
Did you finish?
No, sir, I'm just trying. Just a minute, sir.
Tejal. Did you get anything?
Sir, I'm trying, sir.
Aristan?
Sir, trying.
Every question has same thing. You have to extend one line and start doing it. Another line will be transfers. Just see. See, Tejal, be online.
Yes, sir.
Which two lines are parallel? These two? Correct?
Yes,
Which
sir.
you have to extend. If you will extend, you'll get anything? No. If you will
No.
extend, you'll get a point here.
So you can extend a line through C, like parallel to C.
Parallel to C. Parallel to C. Parallel to
Like parallel to BD.
BD.
Yeah, like on C you can extend a line parallel to BD.
Wait, there is no line BD. Where is the line BD?
Sir, sorry, sir.
These two lines are parallel. So if you'll extend this line, you'll get some points and all. Let's extend this line.
Okay, sir.
You get a point here, O. Now, this is a parallel line and this is a transverse. Can you say this is a transverse?
Yes, sir.
Can you find out some angles, any angle? Tell me. Only Tejal has to answer. Nobody else will answer. Yes, Tejal. Tell me, this is a parallel line. This
Yes,
is a
sir.
transverse. Which all angles you can find out?
Sir.
Samruddha, can you support Tejal? Tell me yes, no, Samruddha.
Kind of.
Kind of. So you give that kind to her. Aristan?
Sir, 2 minutes.
अरे 2 minutes क्या है? यहीं पे you can see and tell.
So, x can be 20.
Sir, can you check if this is correct? We can subtract 180. We can subtract 105 by 180. The number which we will get will be x.
Which will be x.
Sir, I don't understand how did he get that.
How, Aristan, you are telling 180 minus 105, why? This is 105. 180 minus 105 will, which angle will be? How can this be, that be a x angle? You'll have to give logic. What you are telling, you have to give logic. You have to give why that is equal to x. Aditya Krishna, Global. Don't mind Aditya why I'm telling you, because there is one more guy, Aditya Krishna. Yes, Aditya Krishna, tell me. You have to unmute to respond me back. What? Harshi. Yes, Harshi.
So,
Yes, tell me.
so is the answer 80?
No, you tell me. Forget about now answer. You tell me how to got it.
So, I extended a line through A and C.
A and C.
Yes, sir.
The A is here, C is here. Which line?
Okay, I thought it was only. So I don't know.
I have already extended a line this. I have already done it. You have to find the angles now. This line is parallel to this line. This is transverse. I am telling you. Then also you cannot find. Punya to will not unmute her. So, Prithvi?
Sir.
Wait.
Sir, no, sir. Like, I have a doubt.
Yeah, what's your doubt?
Sir, here the COE triangle, is it right triangle?
You prove it. If it is right angle, you prove it. You have to prove. Now coming to Akshaya. Akshaya, with all these knowledge, can you help me out?
Sir,
Yeah.
1 minute.
Don't turn the pages. Solution is here. I have already solved half of it. Can you please help me?
Sir, can I tell?
Wait. No. Adit, you go ahead. I am not asking you guys. You go ahead. 7C. Finish it off.
Sir. Okay, sir.
Other batch is already done.
Sir, is the answer 150?
No. Ashish, Aristan, Aditya Krishna, Vishal, Tejal, Samruddha, Punya, Harshi.
Sir,
Yes. Yes, Aditya, tell me.
sir, 105 plus 25.
No, just hold on. Don't tell me. Tell me here what I have to do. Tell me.
Here.
Hmm.
Angle O equal to 105.
O has 4 angles, so you'll have to name it. Which one? Which angle?
That opposite of 25.
No, you see, you see, naming the angle is COE. If you want to name this angle, you have to say COA. If you have to tell
COE.
EO.
EOC.
EOC. So you are telling this angle. Okay. Now this angle will be equal to
105.
Y. Tell me 105. Why 105?
Sir, adjacent interior angle.
Adjacent interior angles nahi. It is corresponding angle, my dear. You forgot this thing. This angle and this angle is what? Corresponding angle. When this is a line and this is a line and this is a transverse, so this angle and this angle is corresponding angle.
Yes,
isn't
sir.
it?
Yes, sir.
So this is 105. This
Yes,
is
sir.
105. Now tell me.
105 plus 25. Then 105 plus 25 plus y equal to 180 degree.
105 plus 25 plus y equals to 180 degree. So y
Yes,
is
sir.
equals to 180 minus 130.
Yes, sir.
Y is equals to 50.
Yes, sir.
So this is 50.
Then 180 minus 50.
So
which is
this
equal
will
to
be
x.
130.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's the correct solution. That's the correct solution.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, I know. Wait.
No, sir, I have a doubt.
Okay, you have doubt. Okay,
yes.
tell me doubt then.
Sir, from exercise 7C, I have the doubt in fifth question.
That will do it next class. You start doing, and
Sir,
you try.
there's another way.
Wait. You try and try. Then next class we will take it up. Now here, everyone, what he has done correctly, find 100% full marks. But
Sir, ASA he used.
But there is one more thing which you can use. This angle plus this angle is equals to this angle. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Sir, can you
Wait,
repeat what
others
you
do
did,
it,
sir?
please. I'm talking to these 7 people now. This angle plus this angle is equals to this angle. Do you agree
Yes.
or do you don't agree? Do you
Yes,
agree?
sir.
Aristan, do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Why? Tell me. If you agree, why? I don't agree with me. You prove me wrong. Why?
Sir, because it is
Because आगे बढ़ो. Tell me. Who all said yes, sir? Raise your hand. Who all have said yes, sir? Please raise your hand. Aristan, you are raising hand. Then tell me why. I say no. What I told you is wrong. It's not equal to that. Tell me why I am wrong, whether I am right or wrong. Okay, Tejal, you tell me.
So, angle, side angle.
What angle, side angle? Are
So
you
you can prove that it's a right angle triangle. So you can prove it.
what? Which one is right angle triangle, Tejal? Which one is right angle triangle?
No, sir. Sorry, sir.
Those who are telling that this plus this is equals to this, please raise your hand.
Sir, I did a different method, but then I got the correct answer.
Okay, method can be different. You tell me whether what I'm telling is right or wrong. Don't unmute yourself. Unmute yourself, Akshaya, and tell me whether I am right or wrong. Guys, I am right. This plus this is equals to this. Exterior angle is equals to sum of opposite interior angle. This is a triangle. And this is an exterior angle whose sum which is equals to sum of interior opposite angle. You forgot this one. X is equals to y plus z.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
In 7th we learned.
Nee, you take me to your school when you are giving exam. I will give you hint like this.
Sir, I have a doubt in exercise 7C.
Ashish.
No, sir. 9th question. There are 3 figures given. So should we draw of the question? So should we draw 3? So we have to find value of x in each of the 3 figures.
You draw it and do it, na?
No, sir. So for, I can draw one figure. First figure, write the answer. Second figure, write the answer. Right?
Yeah, you can do it.
Okay.
So I have a doubt in the 7th C exercise question 5.
I will do it, Aditya. Right now, I cannot take that doubt. I want you to try it till the last. Then we will take your doubts and we'll see whether the. Acha, one more thing. Yes. Correct. No, this question. 5th question. That's correct.
Yes,
please do the correction. Can you see? Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Please do this correction. Everyone.
Okay, sir.
What's the correction?
Correction
3x
is
plus 5.
Okay, I will tell you the correction.
It's not 3x minus 5, it's 3x plus 5.
So in my book, it's given 3x plus 5 only.
There are few books, 3x plus 5, and this one is 4x. Do this correction in your book.
So maybe because it is latest.
I don't know, different books have different thing. Anyway, you can take this correction. Others, please do it the way we have done it, extending lines, then finding all the angles. Okay? Your homework is 7C. Should we stop now? Thank you. Good night. Bye-bye.